Hello friends, today we are going to discuss another important topic of a compiler design, that is structure of a type. Okay, type checking. What is that? Type checking, it is the process of verifying that each operation which is executed in a program with respect to the type system of the language. This generally means that all operand in any expression are appropriate types and number. Okay, so suppose we have the algebraic expression, that is C is equal to A plus B. So here what we have to do, first of all, there are different phases are available, that are lexical, syntax, semantic, intermediate, code optimizer and code generator, and symbol table and error handler. Okay, now parse tree is already available. Semantically verified parse tree is available. Now this is the responsibility of intermediate code generator. Okay, so here the type checking is very important. Suppose what we are going to do, we are going to perform, we have the algebraic expression, that is C is equal to A plus B. So C, what kind of what type of database, what type of data type are of C, then what is the data type of A and what is the data type of a B. This is very important whenever we perform addition. Okay, suppose we perform the addition, numeric addition, floating point addition, at that time this concept is required. Suppose, okay, as we already discussed these things, intermediate code generation. So what is the responsibility of intermediate code generation? It is used to create the 3 address code for the given instruction. So okay, C is equal to A plus B. What is 3 address code? In that there are only 3 addresses or less than 3 addresses are available. Okay, for the same operand expressions, how many expressions are available, how many operands are available, this type of checking is very important. Now lexical analysis gives the token to the lexical analysis forward the token to the parser. Now here the responsibility of parser is to create the parse tree for the given tree. Now this abstract syntax tree or parse tree is handed over to the intermediate code generator department. Now here static checkers are also available. Okay, so here the responsibility of static checker to check the type, and the output of static checker is decorated abstract syntax tree, and this is given to the intermediate code generator. Now here the responsibility of intermediate code generator to create the 3 address code for the given string and forward to the next part, that is code optimizer and code generator. Okay, now the things are now the things related to the intermediate code generator, that is 3 address code, now quadruple and triple, we will discuss these things in the upcoming lecture. Okay, thank you.